In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone sensitivity in Discord on PC. If people say you're too quiet, your voice cuts in and out, or background sounds keep sneaking into your calls, this quick adjustment will make a big difference. We'll keep it simple and focus on the exact setting that controls how easily Discord picks up your voice. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look down at the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. That gear opens User Settings. Go ahead and click it. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select Voice and Video under the App Settings section. This is where all of your audio controls live, and it's the best place to fine-tune how and when Discord listens to your microphone. Inside Voice and Video, look for the Input Sensitivity area. By default, Discord manages this automatically to guess when you're speaking. It works for many people, but it can be too aggressive or too lenient depending on your mic and environment. To take full control, turn off automatic input sensitivity. When you disable it, you'll get a manual slider and a live input meter that reacts to your voice. Now, adjust the slider to set your microphone sensitivity. Here's how to think about it. Sliding to the left makes Discord more sensitive, so it will pick up softer sounds, including quiet speech, but also more background noise. Sliding to the right makes Discord less sensitive, so it will ignore quieter sounds like a fan or keyboard clicks, but you may need to speak a bit louder to be heard consistently. Use the live meter as your guide. Speak at the volume you normally use in calls. You want your voice to rise above the threshold line reliably, while common background sounds sit below it. If your voice barely clears the line, move the slider slightly left. If you notice the meter reacting to typing or room noise, move it a bit to the right. Small adjustments go a long way, so nudge the slider, talk for a few seconds, and watch the meter before making another tweak. A couple of quick tips as you dial it in. Keep a consistent distance from your microphone, reduce nearby noise if you can, and avoid setting the threshold so high that softer words get cut off. Once your normal speaking voice consistently clears the threshold and unwanted sounds don't, you're set. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Voice and Video, disable automatic input sensitivity, and fine-tune the slider until your voice comes through cleanly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clearer, more consistent audio on Discord.